Welcome children. Today in English language we will learn how to use a, an and the. Children, you had already learned how to use a and an in your first term syllabus. Children, in English there are 26 alphabets. These alphabets can be divided into two parts, vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U. Children, these alphabets are called vowels. And if any word starts with any of these vowels, we use an before that word. And all the remaining alphabets except these 5 vowels are consonants. And if a word starts with any of these consonants, we use a before that word. Today we are going to learn how to use the. There are many steps where we can use the before a word. But children, in this class we will learn only the first step. Other steps you will learn in the next class. So children, we use the when we are talking about an object. Now listen very carefully children. When we are talking about an object which is one of its kind. Now one of its kind means that the object is only one and there is no other object like that. Now I will show you some examples through which you will understand more clearly. Now children, in this first picture you can see the sun. Now we have used the before the word sun because there is only one sun. In this picture you can see the moon. Now children, you all know there is only one moon. And so we have used the before the word moon. In this picture you can see the earth. Children, you all know there is only one earth. And so we have used the before the word earth. Children, in this last picture you can see the sky. And when you go out of your house and look upwards from any place, you will see the same sky. So, sky is one. That is why we say the sky. Children, there are many other rules of using the. But as I have told you earlier, in this class you will learn only this step. Rest you will learn in other classes step by step. So now watch this video many times and listen very carefully what I have explained to you. This will help you in doing the exercises based on this topic, a, an and the. So watch the video. Goodbye.